Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my name is Ekmatri Winda Indonesia Pramata. Here I will describe the most inspiring person in my life. They are my mother and my older sister. My mother's name is Sri Winarti. She was born in Malang. What made me inspired by him? My mother is the tallest woman I know, the most patient and the soft of heart. My mother was born in a simple family. She was the first of two children. Being the first child is not easy, especially for a woman. Many demands that must be met. Since childhood, her dream of becoming a teacher. For him, work is not seen from how much income we get, but how we are sincere in providing knowledge. So, that latter knowledge is useful for many people. My mother keeps trying how to continue her education as heck possible, cause most Japanese women at the time immediately married after graduating, after senior high school. Many people said, what a high school woman would do if she ended up working in the kitchen, in the house. Untuk apa perempuan itu pendidikannya tinggi jika akhirnya mereka hanya bekerja di dapur, hanya sebagai ibu rumah tangga saja. But my mother did not give up and continue her education until she finally got a bachelor degree in education. Not long after my mother graduated, my father finished his study as a bachelor as well. Oh yes, I forgot it. My mother was married when she entered college, but that still was not a barrier to achieving her dream. Even at graduation, my mother already had two children, namely my older sister, Chandra Aradika Ranggaravita, and Ekwinda Linggara Surya Kusuma. Not long after graduation, my mother managed to achieve her dream of becoming a teacher. At that time, my father was also a teacher. It's just that they don't teach in the same school. Jadi kedua orang tuaku dulunya sempat bekerja sebagai guru. In year 2001, my mom get pregnant. That's me. And when we was pregnant, my mother was still teaching. Even though from my grandma's story that I heard the distance from the school to our house was kilometer. Jadi saat itu ibuku menjadi guru di Lumajang, di tempat kelahiran ayahku, yang mana sekolahnya itu jauh dari pusat kota. Until finally at the end of year, before my birth, my mother had to move to Blitar, cause my grandma was sick and my father was laid off. Setelah terkena PHK, ayahku merantau keluar Jawa to get off a job. Time after time, my father did not come home until finally my father and mother choose to separate, bercerai. My sister and I choose to follow my mom, live with him, and that's where my mother passion was tested. My grandma died. She lost her job as a teacher and had to raise 3 children alone. Just imagining it's very difficult for me. How to live it must also be very difficult. My mother tried to find a job as much as possible to provide for our family needs. Even though at work had to take me along, cause I still could not be left alone, and it's also not easy. When I was 7 years old, my mother died. She always advised his children to live better than him. I think all parents want the best for their children. And now I'm very miss. Then the second inspirational person was my older sister. Her name is Ekwinda Linggara Surya Kusuma. She is 8 years older than me. Lahir tahun 93. Then what inspired me was from high school to college, she got a scholarship. After graduating from junior high school, she received an offer to enter 3 school, and finally she chose SMA Negeri 1 Blitar, which is still the favorite school in my city. After that, she entered in Brawijaya University, majoring in statistics with bidik misi scholarship. Her dream to become a civil servant. The road my sister took was not easy either. In the first test, she did not pass. While in his spare time, she worked as a shopkeeper, help make other people thesis, and masih banyak lagi pekerjaan yang dilakukan. Until finally, when there was another civil servant test, my sister was still trying to take it. And after the long wait, after all the effort and a prayer, finally my sister success in becoming a civil servant. And now she work in BPS Pinrang, South Sulawesi. That's why I chose to continue my study here. Apart from wanting to accompany my sister, I still have a lot to learn from him. I heard this story about my mother from my sister, my grandma, and my uncle. Maybe that's all I want to say. Hopefully it can inspire anyone who will listen to it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.